everybody, it's Frankie-Lou. I'm here in front of the greenhouse in the sky where I have finally opened up most of my milk jugs and my snugs. Once again, I did some experimenting because it wouldn't be me if I didn't. I have some cool results to show you that might affect how you do the timing of the opening of your winter sowing projects from now on. I know it will affect how I do mine. Finally have true spring here. I hope that's correct, but according to the long-term forecast, here in Golden, we shouldn't be expecting it to go below 6 or 7 for the next few months. So time to open the jugs. I personally don't see any benefit to opening them earlier and having them open during the day, closed at night. I like to keep them in their little sealed up greenhouses as long as possible and only open it when it's a few days to a week before when I plan to put them in the ground. A timing experiment. The first set of jugs that I opened 3 days ago in the morning. It was a fairly sunny day and I kept them here in the sheltered spot. The next set of jugs I opened the next night. I'm going to explain that. And then I opened another series of jugs last night. And let me explain my timing behind this. I've noticed that with my milk jugs, while there's no need to harden off, they do go through a shock period, because not only does this little mini greenhouse trap in heat, it also traps in humidity. So when you open up the jugs, your little seedlings are going to go through a little bit of a shock because it's changing from a nice humid chamber basically to outdoors. And in places like Springbank Homestead, where it's notoriously dry, there really is a dramatic change you can see in that humidity. So my first series of milk jugs I just opened as per normal, and they're doing okay. But then I thought, geez, when I come out here in the evening and in the morning, it is more humid. Like, you come out in the morning and there's dew on the grass, that would probably be less of a dramatic change. Without having the sunlight on them, I bet you that's going to give my little seedlings a chance to sort of adjust to that change in humidity, and it won't be as shocking. And then I looked at the forecast and we were expecting a light rain last night. So I thought, I bet you that's going to be even better. And yeah, it is. Let me show you. I'll use an example here. These are some bachelor buttons. I only grew 2 sets of bachelor buttons, so I can't really show the third result with this, but these are bachelor buttons that I opened 3 days ago. They are recovering, but you can see there is a little bit of crispiness going on there as they respond. These are the bachelor buttons that I opened the next day at night. I feel comfortable putting these in the ground today. These I would want to leave a little bit longer. Even though I opened up these later, opening it at night. Now, don't get me wrong, don't open it on a night where it's frosty. Open it on a night when you know it's going to be above 6 or 7 degrees, like a nice mild night. These are great. These are wonderful. I'm ready to put these in the ground today. These I'm going to wait another day or two so they adjust a little bit more. So there's that. The best one, so to show it, is this Swiss chard. I don't know if I can hold 3. Ooh, my waitressing days are coming back. We have Swiss chard that was opened at night 3 days ago. See, looking a little crispy. I know they're going to revive, but it was shocking for them. Swiss chard that was opened the next night. Tiny little bit of crispiness, but not as much as the first batch. Swiss chard opened last night, just prior to a light rain overnight. Perfect. And I've got other examples. I'm going through and finding the same. I'm finding that the time of day that you open it does make a difference, for sure. Number one new recommendation from my experiments this year when it comes to opening jugs is that you want to open it in the evening on a night where it's going to be mild. Obviously not on a frosty night. That would be dumb. You'd kill everything. But just open it like on a night that you're going to see that it's going to be 6, 7, 8, 9 degrees at night. Open them then. And if you have the option, which I did because I looked at the forecast, of opening it on a night where there's going to be a nice light rain, that's your best bet. That's the best case scenario. And I'm going to be looking for that in the future when I'm opening jugs, to try to open it on an evening when there's going to be rain. I don't know if you can see, but I still have some jugs that aren't ready to open because they're just starting to pop. Some of my stuff is a little bit slower this year because we have had a slow spring to come on. I had pretty darn good results again this year, and I hope you guys will share with me how your results went. As I unroll these, I will also start compiling data on the snugs versus jugs, and I'll be sure to share that with you guys. I will also share how to remove the seedlings from the snugs, because I know some of you are having concerns with that, and that should be up in a day or two as well. Keep those questions coming, and as always, I hope you'll take this chance to grow together today. Have a good one.